What's going on there, everyone? Today we are covering how to make your Bedwars server, and this is going to be using Screaming Bedwars plugin, and there's actually an add-on that makes it very similar to how Hypixel has it, which a lot of you guys have actually been asking about how to set that up. So that is what today's video is going to be covering and getting this all set up, and this is a free plugin you can use and download on Spigot. So before we get to the video showcase, so this video does have a giveaway actually going on in it. It will actually be hosted on my Discord, so you can come join it and you can enter into the giveaway section. To be eligible to enter, you need to be in my Discord as well as Odyssey Builds, and there's going to be 3 prizes given away. First one is going to be a $25 credit that you can use on their store. The second one is going to be $20, and then the third one is going to be $15. So quite a bit of big prizes there, and they have amazing high quality builds on their website. You guys can go check them out. They're pretty remarkable. So and this one I am in is one of the big hubs as well, which I really like. So they just make amazing builds, guys, so you will not have any problem having a good quality build there. But let's go ahead and jump into the plugin showcase now. So first things first, we need to install the plugin. So there's actually 2 plugins that you need to install in order for this to work. So I'm gonna do a Screaming and gonna search it up. And if you guys need Minecraft host, be sure you check out SoulNode. That link will be down in the description, and you can use code Striker to save 10% off. So here is the main one. This is gonna be Screaming Bedwars. That is the main Bedwars plugin. And then here is this Hypixel. Basically, this makes it very similar to how Hypixel is set up. So you actually need this add-on as well, and we can go ahead and click install. The second thing to mention here is that this add-on does need Java 11 to work, and Screaming Bedwars actually will be updated to only work with Java 11 in the future. So if your Minecraft host is SoulNode, you can come to your startup settings, and then you can change your Java version right here. So mine is already Java 11, so that is perfect. If you do not have Java 11, just contact your hosting provider. They might be able to set it up. So once we have those installed, we can go ahead and restart our server, and we'll go ahead and get started. Today's video sponsor is the Songoda Marketplace, and if you are looking for any type of unique or custom plugin for your Minecraft server, there is quite a bit of selection over there, so make sure you guys go check them out using the link down in the description, and you can find some great plugins for your server. So once you have your plugin installed, we can go ahead and set our main lobby. So to do that, we can do BW, and then we can do main lobby. And let's go ahead and enable it first, and then we'll go ahead and enable it. Now we can do the BW reload, so that will make sure it is now enabled. Now we can set our main lobby with the same command, except just use set instead. Alright, so we'll go ahead and set our main lobby. Then we have a nice little place for some like leaderboards or something. So this does include a leaderboard placeholder, so I'm gonna pop up right here. That looks good. We'll go up one more so we are centered. So I'm gonna set some stats hologram right here. So we can do that with BD and then add hologram. So there we go. We have a very nice hologram stats. That looks really good, guys. So I'm gonna head and leave it there. You can pretty much make these wherever you want to make it. So once we have our lobby area set up, I'm gonna head and go to our arenas. Now let's make our arenas with BW and then admin, and then we can go ahead and specify a name. So I'm gonna call this YT, and you can go ahead and add that. So once our arena has been added, we need to set positions for our arena. So this is very similar to how World Edit is set up. So you need to get a top position and a low position. So for example, we'll go out here and we'll actually go down a little bit. So make sure this area looks good. We need to back up to include this spawn point. So once your area looks good, we can do BW admin YT and then pause 1. Alright, so the YT is just your arena name. So I'm going to head and fly over to the other corner. So make sure it is including all your full arena. So we need to back up just a little bit about right there, and that looks good. Now we need to drop down and get the lowest position of our arena. So pretty much the same command, except we're doing position 2 instead. So once you have set your positions for the arena, we can set our lobby, which is going to be where the players are going to be teleported once they click the join signs, and then they're going to wait here until the amount of players are ready. So we can do BW admin and then your arena name, which is YT for me, and we'll set our lobby position right here. And then now we need to set a spectator arena. So when players die, then they're going to be teleported to like the middle of the map to spectate for about 5 seconds is about the delay. So pretty much the same command, except we're just going to be doing spec instead. So there we go, we got our lobby and our spectator. Now we can start adding teams. So we have a blue, red, green, and yellow. So I'm going to start off with the red team over here. So to do that, we need to start making our teams, and we can do BW admin, our arena, which is YT, and then we can do team add. Alright, so now we need to specify the name of the team. So you can make this a creative name, but for me, I'm just going to call this red. Now we need to choose the color. So it is going to be red right here. And then you can set singles, doubles, quadruples, and then octets. So I'm going to just do one player. Alright, so now we have created the red team. I'm just going to head and make the other 4 teams while I'm here. So I'm just going to do red and then blue. And we'll have the blue color. So and then we'll do green right there. After your team is made, you can start adding the spawn points as well as the bed locations. So here is the spawn point I'm going to be setting. So we'll do BW admin and then YT team, and then this is going to be the spawn, and then you can specify this is going to be red. So there we go, there is the red, and it's pretty much the same command except for changing spawn to bed. And then we need to set the red bed, and then over here this is going to be where the ores are generated at. So that command is BW admin arena name, and then we're going to be setting a spawner. So spawner add, and then here we can set our iron and gold and emeralds, diamonds, etc. And so this is from the add-on plugin. If you do not have these options, that means you did not install that add-on, so you need to install that add-on in order for these ores to appear. So we can go ahead and set this to iron. I'm going to scoot over to about right here, and we'll set another one to gold. So there we go, now we have the iron and gold set up right here for our specific spawners. Next up, we need to set the shop for this specific team. So to do that, we can stand in this area, and this is going to be placing the NPC where you can buy this specific item. So wherever location they're actually going to be looking is where the NPC is going to be looking as well. So pretty much going to be doing the same command, except it's going to be a store. Alright, so we'll do store, and then you can set different types as well. So if you want like a child or adult type, you can also set different types of mobs. I'm just going to be doing a default, so we'll do add. And this does allow custom names, but I'm going to be just setting it to villagers shop, just like so. There we go. So now we are pretty much set for our red team. And then say you want to add like diamond generator over here. So pretty much go back to the spawner command. So we'll go back to spawner, and then we can add a diamond right here. And then if you want to add the emeralds for the main spawn point, you can add the emeralds right here, and we'll just add emerald. So there we go. And there will be specific holograms if you want to enable holograms, so you can actually set the hologram to true. So that is how you set up the different ores, and then you can go ahead and just do the same commands for setting up different teams. So once you have all your spawns and shops and all your ores set up, we can do BW and then admin YT, and then you need to save it. So we'll go ahead and save, and there we go. Now everything has been saved. If for some reason that you forgot some sort of spawn point or you misconfigured something, you can do BW admin and then YT, and then you can go back into the editor mode and you can edit some stuff like change some spawns or something, and then just make sure you save it after you finish editing. So there we go. Now our arena has been set up, and as I said, you can create multiple arenas in a single world or multiple worlds. Just depends on how you want to have it set up. So now we can set up some join signs. So to do that, we can do brackets and then Bedwars, and then we're going to just type in our arena name. So this is just going to be YT, and there we go. We have created our sign, and we can right click and we go ahead and get teleported to our waiting lobby, which is perfect. Then you can select different teams. So if you want to be on red, blue, etc., you can just pick your teams right here, and then you can see the scoreboard on the right hand side. It's very, very nice, guys, and go ahead and get some people to test out, and then we'll go jump in round. Alright, so we got ID confirmed here, and we can go ahead and select our team. Let's go with green team. So in here, we can just start the game because there is 2 of us, but it will count down as you can see on the right hand side of the screen. So we'll go ahead and start the game, and we'll put us in game. There we go, we are on green team, and somehow he died. I'm not sure what happened there. He is a little bit laggy though, but as you can see in our tab, we do have the different color of names, which is really cool, so it matches. And then you can see green, red, yellow, etc. When there would be more players. So here we got our specific iron and gold going on, and here's our villager shop, and it does match specifically with your team, which is pretty great. So we got our lime wool, so we can go ahead and get the wool, and we can protect our bed, which is pretty good. So let's go ahead and just do a very simple bed protection here. And just like so, now we have it all protected. So I went ahead and cheat just a little bit so you guys can see. So here is the diamond gem. So when you set the hologram to true like we did, it will have a nice hologram, spins around, and it looks really good. So there is the diamond, so we can pick up the diamonds. And if we come over here to mid, we can have the emerald. Then I set up 3 different emeralds here at spawn, and then there's the 2 diamond that we set over there as well. So pretty great stuff. So I'm going to head and go back, get some more of our ores right here, and we'll go back into the villager shop. Let's go ahead and get ourselves an iron sword. So it looks like he is building to us, trying to staircase up here. Let's see if we can beat him up to the staircase. Oh no, he's right there. Well, thankfully we didn't take that much damage. Oh, he died. I didn't even realize that. So maybe we can sneak around here. Let's see here, guys. And we'll go ahead and sneak. Yeah, perfect. So we'll go ahead and get our stairs going up. There we go. Oh, here he comes. Alright, we're gonna battle it out here. So we got some good hits on him there. Oh, he does have some. Oh, there we go. Perfect. He didn't come with any blocks, so I might have to go back to my island. Well, we got 20 emeralds now, so hopefully we can get some good armor here. Let's see what happens. So he hasn't gotten anything yet, so that is good. We should be able to pull out a victory, I think. Let's see what happens here. So I'll come back down to my bed. Alright, we're gonna get him the knockback stick here. That's right, get out here. Oh no, no, he got me there. That was a good one though. GG. And there we go, the game did ended, but he did get a good knockback hit. Now he's being all toxic, saying L in chat. But anyways, guys, that is your Bedwars plugin. So hope you guys did enjoy, and thanks to ID Confirmed or Mackenzie for hopping in the video, show you guys the showcase. But he is all happy, he's going ecstatic over there that he beat me in a Bedwars game. But anyways, hope you guys did enjoy. Let me know if you have any questions down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.